Welcome to Present Trade's tutorial on how to create alignments automatically using civil site design on BricsCAD. Let's dive right in. Open your BricsCAD and load your drawing. There are two ways to create alignments, one by one or all at once. Let's start with the manual approach to get a feel for the process. Go to the Alignments tab and click on the Create Alignment button. Then click where you want your alignment. This will open a window where you can customize your alignment preferences. In the Geometry tab, you can name the alignment, making it easy to access later. You'll also see an option for string type. Choose between a road, curb return, cul-de-sac, knuckle, or leave it blank if needed. For this video, we'll select road. You can add a description, which is especially helpful if you're collaborating with a team. Here, you can also set the starting chainage and choose whether to keep the existing object or replace it with the new alignment. Below that, there are tools for quick edits to the IP profile without needing to switch to a different window. Once everything is set, click OK, and just like that, the alignment is created in moments. But what if you need to create all the alignments in your drawing at once? Stay in the Alignments tab and select Auto Create. A prompt will appear asking if you'd like to use the Dynamic Drawing Labels feature. For this demo, we'll proceed with Yes. Now, click on your drawing where you'd like to start the process. When prompted to create alignments for all polylines, click Yes. The software will count the polylines. In this example, there are 16 and display the total before starting. With just another yes, all the alignments are created almost instantly. As you can see, this part runs at normal speed. Once complete, a window will pop up showing all the newly created alignments with their automatically generated names. If you wish to make changes, edit the names, click Update, and everything updates in real time. It's that quick and efficient. Now, what if you need to change the style of your alignments? It's simple. Stay on the Alignments tab and click Edit Alignment, then select the alignment you want to adjust. A window will open, allowing you to modify any detail of the alignment. The Geometry tab still lets you edit the string type, add a description, or use the IP Edit tool. For style adjustments, head over to the Annotations tab, choose your preferred style, click Update, and refresh. Instantly, your updates appear on the screen. If you need to tweak the annotation of a specific chainage, click on Reset Edit Annotation at a chainage. Select the text you want to change and notice the commands at the bottom adapt, giving you control over position, angle, and more. And if you're looking to change the colors in your drawing, navigate to the Color tab and click on Set Layers and Colors. Here, you can assign specific colors to different aspects of your design. And there you have it, a seamless way to create and customize alignments in civil site design on BricsCAD. Ready to explore this functionality? Contact Present Trade today for your free trial and start experiencing the ease of designing with BricsCAD. Happy designing!